Pisces, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your person's feelings towards you and your feelings towards your person as well. So we will check out what are the obstacles going in between both of you and what is going to be the next step for both of you, plus the probable outcome of the situation. So that is what we are going to check, and that too in detail. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. All right, do not try to make it your story if this is not yours. And let's see now for my Pisces, what is going on for with my Pisces and their person. Please, Pisces and their person, what is going on? And if you want to book a tarot appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. All right. Wow. Okay, so what is going on? What is happening? Okay, so your energy towards your person is the sun. Why the sun is here? Why the sun energy is here for Pisces person? Pisces energies towards their person. Justice and the sun. Okay, yes. 10 of Wands. Okay, so I feel that you are here, Pisces, that you know there's something or the other always going on with you and your person, because there are some ego issues or some domination, I would say, because you both are very strong personality. You both be, you know, feeling that I am the one and I am the one. That kind of a feeling always come up, you know, some kind of a strong energy of I'm important kind of a thing is coming up for you. It does not mean that only you are saying, it's like it's between both of you, because there are two suns over here. So you know, the sun is only one in the universe, and that is why if both have come up in your energy, it feels like you both have that kind of a quality of always, you know, that if one person is taking a decision, the other person is also not just it's like you also want, you have your points, your person has their points, and that is why there are clashes. You are not able to come to one resolution. Okay, it's always like clashes and everything, bad communication kind of a thing, because you both are, see, Justice card is here, so it means that there is like always some kind of a clash coming up when it comes to my decision has to be done, my decision has to be taken. So it's always that kind of a thing with strong heaviness. And in this relationship, really, you and your person, it's like really hard time going on with both of you. Your energies towards your person is the Three of Swords. So why the Three of Swords is here towards this relationship? Pisces energy towards this relationship. Why the Three of Swords is here? With the King of Pentacles, again strong stubbornness energy is here with the Knight of Pentacles. So yes, you and your person are towards the end of something, towards the end of this relationship. It's like, let's just end, because this is not going anywhere. We are always, whenever we want to talk to each other, always, you know, we always met in some clashes. It's always some kind of a fight we come up into, and that is why I really see that there is something, you know, you both are waiting for some kind of miracle to happen, because love was there strong, but because of all this thing, you know, everything, all time clashes. You might be dealing with a Leo. Strong Leo energies are coming up. Sagittarius, Leo, or Aries fire sign might be, because or Capricorn. Yeah, something is going on, you know, Pisces, something is. Your person's energy towards you is the Four of Cups. They are behaving, they are in the rejection kind of a situation. They are not ready to accept some things, Pisces. It's really hard for them to accept this situation. Ace of Pentacles. See, they are, I think you are trying to start something like a conversation or something, and they are rejecting. They are keep on rejecting because they are not in the same pace now. Pisces, either they have just left the situation, or they are trying to leave. They are getting ready to leave the situation because they are not going to stay. You want to mend things somewhere you really want to get back together, but not your person anymore. Okay, what is happening with my Pisces person's energy towards this relationship is the Five of Swords energy. Their energy is not the same, to be very honest. Page of Cups is here, Three of Cups, and Eight of Pentacles. Whenever there is a fight between both of you, they have discussed, okay, there's an apology coming. They always want to apologize. It's like they might have apologized before as well, because something or the other, they always try to mend things, but the things go so far, it just goes so negative that an apology also cannot make it fine. Sometimes this might be a very toxic kind of a relationship sometimes, and you cannot accept that apology. It can be with either of one of you. If they have done something wrong, and if they are coming up with an apology, it's really hard for you to accept that, because the heaviness is still there. You felt that there was some injustice which happened with you. That is why you are not ready to accept that apology. It's like it's really hard for you, but you do not want this person to leave, but still it is really hard for you to accept this person. Wow, interesting. They want to be with you, but yeah, you cannot accept their apology sometimes. So Knight of Cups is there on your energy towards this is the obstacle between both of you, what you feel. Why the Knight of Cups is here? What obstacle is the Knight of Cups coming up? With the Five of Cups, I think this is the obstacle only, that first you do wrong, okay, then you come up with an apology, then you start telling me that how much you love me, and then you start regretting about the situation, whatever happened, and now you are coming back. So what kind of a person you are? Okay, so you are saying to your person like this, you go, you come back. What is happening? When I want to be with you, you do not come then. Okay, and whenever you need me, you are coming towards me, and you are telling that how much you love me, and now you regret that you lost me, and now again you want to be with me. How is this possible? What kind of a personality you are? You might be dealing with a bipolar person, I'm sorry, but a person who has more than one different, they try to always show you different their personality. So different personality, the personality disorder kind of a person. Sometimes it is like that, not always. I'm not saying that, but this is a personality which you feel that this is really different. Sometimes you love me so much, and sometimes you just want me to die. Sometimes like that. Strong energies. Queen of Rods energy, strongly again. So what do they think that this is a obstacle? Why Queen of Rods is there in the obstacle energy? I think there's strong fire in both of you. See, again, fire energy. Sagittarius, Leo, and Aries. Five of Wands again. So this is like the obstacle for them is the conflict. It is the difference of opinions between both of you. You both are fighting for one thing and not coming to a decision making. That is the problem. Nobody is there. You both are not good listeners. Even it's like when you are trying to tell them something, they have always some or the other opinion. And when they want to try to tell you something, you have some opinion. So there is no one listening, and no one is actually ready to solve the situation. You both have your words. There's strong fire energy, which is the obstacle which is coming up here. You both are so fiery in nature that it always end up into fighting. The judgment is there in your actions towards this person. I think you want this reconciliation again. You want it, Capricorn. But it's not going to be from your end. You are saying that I won't come again. Okay, I am here. I'm waiting for you, Pisces energy, King of Cups, Scorpio, Pisces, and Cancer. So strong Scorpio. But yes, you are there. You are standing there. You are waiting for them. I will accept you, but you have to come up with a strong apology. It won't happen just like that. Coming and going, no, I won't accept that. Judgment again at the back of the deck. So Wheel of Fortune is in their energy. What steps are they going to take with the Two of Pentacles? They will always try to figure out. They will be juggling in this situation. I don't think that they will be able to come up into any conclusion when it comes to this relationship or this communication. They want to be with you with the Two of Cups, okay, but they are not going to take any step towards this relationship. It's like they have just felt like, okay, whatever will happen, universe will decide and universe will make us together again. I'm not going to do anything. That is what this person is thinking. The Death card is here in the probable outcome of the situation. Let's see why the Death card is here. Why the Death card is here? Two of Swords. And Queen of Wands again. Okay, so this person or this situation will end. First of all, there is a certain kind of an ending which is coming up in this situation, because you need to end that bad communication between both of you, because somebody or the other has to come up, has to come forward. It will not happen by itself. If you both are thinking that the universe will take care itself, or you are ready for their apology, their strong apology, that is not going to happen. And if they are thinking that, okay, universe will take care of all these things by himself, so it's not going to happen either. All right, so somewhere or the other, somebody needs to take some action, strong action. And first of all, strong planning is needed, then action, because you both are at, it's like no one is trying to do anything, because see, the heart is closed, the eyes are closed, and that is why you're just sitting. And that is why the endings are more close in this relationship than getting back together. So it's in your hands what you both want to do. That is what is your decision making. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Pisces. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.